Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel at Learn Easily. Today we are going to see how we can hide our formulas in an Excel worksheet in order to prevent from any unwanted changes in the formulas. To do so, we have to follow certain steps. First, we have to hide our formulas, and then we have to protect our working sheet. As an example, here I have a table which shows projected expenses for 12 months of the year for financial year 2023. So here we have column P and we have row 25. Column P shows total of each expenses for 12 months of the year. And then we have row 25 which shows total of all expenses for each month of the year from January up to December 2023. In column P and row 25, if you click in any cell, you can see the formula in formula bar and you can bring changes. You can delete it, you can change the formula. So here for this worksheet, I want to hide the formula and then I want to protect it so that nobody can bring changes into column P and row 25 wherever there is formula. But at the same time, I want to keep my input range, which here is highlighted in blue. I want to keep it unrestricted so that I can change it, anyone else can change it and update the table later on if needed. So the first thing that I am going to do, I am going to select all the cells in column P and row 25 which contains formulas, and then I am going to right click on it. Then I am going to click on format cells. When I click on format cells, another window will open. In this window, you need to click on protection. I'm clicking on protection. Here we have two options, locked and hidden. Locked is already checked. I'm going to check this box for hidden also. Then I'm going to click on OK. For the blue cells, which are my input range, I will follow the same step. I will right click on it, the format cells. I'm going to go to protection tab, and then I am going to uncheck the box related here to the locked option. I'm going to uncheck this box. Then I am going to click on OK. Yeah. But if you click on cells in column P and row 25, still you can see the formulas. To complete this task and make sure that it's hidden and nobody can bring changes to the formulas, we have to go to the review tab, and then we have to click on protect sheet. We can set password so that if anyone want to bring changes, it will ask for password, and he or she knows the password, they can enter the password and bring the necessary changes. But here I'm not going to put any password. I will just continue by clicking OK. Yeah. Now if you click in column P cells and row 25, you can see that the formulas are hidden and you cannot bring changes. See, if I press delete, I cannot delete any formula. But for my input range, which highlighted in blue, I can update the table. I can change the figures. See? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.